In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to associate contacts or companies with a deal in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect the right people and organizations to a deal so your pipeline stays accurate and your reporting is clean. Start by signing in and heading to your HubSpot home. From there, navigate to the CRM area. This is where all your core records live: contacts, companies, and of course deals. Next, open deals. You can view them in board or list view. Either way, you'll want to locate the specific deal that needs an association. Open the deal record you want to work with. Take a second to confirm you're on the right deal by checking the deal name and stage at the top. Keeping this organized prevents data mix-ups later on. Now, in the deal record, look for the area where you can add associations and click Add to start linking a contact. In the search field, type the name of the person you want to associate with this deal. If you have many contacts, use precise keywords to narrow results quickly. When you see the correct contact, click their name and then select Next to confirm your choice. Finally, click Save. That's it. The contact is now tied to the deal. If your account supports it, consider assigning an association label or marking a primary contact to clarify who the main decision maker is. But keep your selections simple and consistent. Next, let's link the company. Still on the same deal record, click the Add Company button. Search for the company you want to connect, and when it appears, click the company name and choose Next. Then click Save. This ensures your activities, notes, and deal history connect back to the organization, which improves roll-up reporting across accounts and deal cycles. To wrap up, click Overview and always double-check if they are the correct contact and company to associate to the deal. You're all set. Associating the right records keeps your team aligned, accelerates handoffs, and makes your dashboards far more reliable. If anything looks off later, you can return to the deal and adjust associations in the same place. No need to recreate anything. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.